Why the perfect pocket matters in new construction. Hi, I'm Gina Dizon, and I am the sales manager here at Reserve at Hickory Walk by Taylor Morrison in Kennesaw, Georgia. Let me show you what makes my community so special. It is rare to find a boutique enclave of 56 homes that balances the tranquility of nature and close proximity to top-tier schools and world-class recreation. Enjoy kayaking or a day at the beach at Lake Acworth. Perhaps date night in downtown Kennesaw. Grab dinner and catch a live show at the amphitheater. Play a round of golf at the Marietta Country Club or hike Kennesaw Mountain and enjoy the views. The strategic location is the cornerstone of long-term value, and Reserve at Hickory Walk is positioned perfectly.